Tips for living a healthy life. Give priority to whole and unprocessed foods. Controlling portion sizes. Eat more vegetables. Include lean sources of protein in your diet. Choose healthy fats such as avocado, nuts and olive oil. Limit added sugars and sugary drinks. Choose complex carbohydrates such as whole grains. Avoid eating light meals late at night. Plan balanced and nutritious meals. Cook at home so you can better control the ingredients. Use herbs and spices to add flavor without extra calories. Try new, healthy recipes to keep meals exciting. Limiting alcohol intake. Consider intermittent fasting, if that's right for you. Avoid processed and fried foods. Avoid eating unconsciously in front of the television or computer. Keep your body hydrated throughout the day. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy. Renew your exercises to prevent boredom. Create an exercise plan that includes short and long-term goals. Engage in flexibility and mobility exercises. Establish a fixed training schedule. Use proper form and technique to prevent injuries. Stay active throughout the day, not just during training. Add variety to your training by trying new sports or activities. Gradually increase the intensity of the exercise. Pay attention to your breathing during the exercise. Warm up and cool down before and after training. Do not neglect cardiovascular fitness. Use body weight exercises for effective exercises. I get 7 to 9 hours of good sleep per night. Managing stress using relaxation techniques. Allocate time to practice hobbies and recreational activities. Find healthy ways to deal with emotional stress. Surround yourself with a supportive social network. Maintain a positive and optimistic mentality. Set realistic and achievable goals. Avoid smoking and limit alcohol consumption. Keep your body hydrated with water and other low-calorie drinks. Achieving balance between work and personal life. Learn to say no to obligations that burden you. Practice gratitude daily. Spend some time in nature for mental and physical health. Consider taking breaks from screens and social media. Engage in activities that make you laugh and feel happy. Promoting positive relationships with friends and family. Continuously educate yourself about nutrition and fitness. Set clear boundaries in relationships. Be responsible by sharing your goals with someone. Celebrate small victories and accomplishments. Embrace a growth mindset and view challenges as opportunities. Remind yourself of your progress regularly. Be patient and persistent. Focus on long-term health rather than short-term results. Avoid comparing your progress with others. Accept that setbacks are part of the journey. Embrace the process and enjoy the journey. Constantly set new and challenging goals. Remind yourself of your initial goals and reasons for starting. Be adaptable and modify your plan as needed. In conclusion, remember that these tips are guidelines to help you on your journey towards improving health and physical fitness. Your path is unique, and it is essential to customize your approach to suit your individual needs, preferences, and circumstances. Consistency, patience, and dedication will help you achieve lasting results. I'm happy to follow the next parts. I am also happy to visit my site to help you start your journey towards a healthier life. The link is in the video description or in the bio.